Dear students, welcome to my class. Today I am going to discuss another new chapter, adjectives. It's in page number 46. So I am going to discuss adjectives with the help of, I will start with the help of two sentences so you can understand it clearly. So the question is, the sentence is, Rohit is a good boy. So what type of boy is Rohit? He is a good boy. See here, there are two nouns here. One is Rohit and the other is boy. Nouns means what? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. So here, Rohit is a noun. Boy is also a noun. So the difference lies in its kinds. Means Rohit is a proper noun and the boy is a common noun. Because the word Rohit, if you say Rohit, then it's a specific name, a special name given to a boy. So it's a proper noun. And the word boy itself is a common noun. Because there are many boys. No, there are thousands or lakhs of boys. If I say just, if I use the word boy just, then it is a common noun. But if I say Rohit, then it's a specific name only that I am pointing at that person. Or I am talking about this boy. So in that case, this is a proper noun and this is a common noun. And see here, I used the word good to describe the boy. So the word which is used to describe a noun is known as an adjective. So the boy is a noun and I have used the word good for the noun boy. So good is an adjective. Adjective means the word which describes a noun. So the word good is describing the boy Rohit. Here the boy is indicating Rohit. So the word good is describing the boy and so good is an adjective. So adjective means a word which describes a noun. Next sentence is Shreya is a pretty girl. Shreya is a pretty girl. Shreya is a noun. Girl is also a noun. It is a proper noun and it is a common noun. So I am describing the Shreya with the help of a word pretty. What type of girl is pretty? What type of girl is Shreya? Shreya is a pretty girl. So the word pretty is an adjective. Pretty means beautiful. So adjectives are words that describe nouns. So here I have written two sentences. Good and pretty are the two adjectives from these sentences. So let's start the exercise. There are 9 pictures and in the box there are adjectives to describe the noun. So question is, pick a word from the box to describe each picture. Yellow, funny, juicy, colorful, naughty, huge, rainy, playful and delicious. So these words will be used for each picture. So here see, the first picture is of an elephant. So it's very huge. The size is very large. So the adjective will be huge from this box. This will be the adjective for the elephant. Next is playful. You can see in the picture that the cat is playing with a ball. So the adjective will be playful. Next is, this is a picture of a butterfly which has 3 colors combined. Yellow, red and blue. So you can see it's a multicolored butterfly. The adjective you can use is colorful. Next is clown. It's a picture of a clown. Clowns always makes jokes and makes people laugh. So you can see in the picture the expression of the clowns always remains funny. So the adjective is funny. Next is a boy who is holding an umbrella. As it is rainy, you can see some raindrops here. So the adjective will be rainy. Next is apple. So the adjective from this box, you can see that is the answer. The adjective will be juicy. So juicy apple. Next is a monkey who is holding a banana and he is swinging from one branch to the other. So the adjective is naughty, a naughty monkey. Next is delicious. Delicious means tasty. Tasty cake. Cakes are always tasty. So the adjective is delicious. The meaning of delicious is tasty. Next, this is a school bus, and the adjective used for the school bus is yellow. The color of the school bus is yellow. So the adjective is yellow. A huge elephant, a playful cat, a colorful butterfly, a funny clown, a rainy day, juicy apple, a naughty monkey, a delicious cake, a yellow school bus. So these words are used to describe the nouns. So the words which describe nouns are known as adjectives. This is the definition which I am reading. Words that describe a noun are called adjectives, and the other word for adjectives is describing words. Means the word which will describe the noun. See, it's a naughty monkey. What type of monkey it is? It is a naughty monkey. Means we are describing the noun monkey. So the other name for adjectives is describing words. So for today, let's end the class here. In my next video, I shall discuss the remaining portions of this chapter, adjectives. So thank you.